Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually deposit and withdraw from your Exness app to your Binance using USDT. So in the previous clips, I actually showed you guys how to deposit and withdraw from your Binance app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually deposit and withdraw from your broker, which is Exness, to your Binance. So first thing first, as usual, all you need to do is to make this transaction faster. Make sure you download the Exness app. The link will be just below this video, so make sure you click it and open yourself an Exness account and make sure you download the application. Right, so when you open your application, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on where it says profile, and when profile, this is what you're going to see after clicking to where it says profile. And what we're interested in at this particular point is the crypto wallet. So you can see that on the crypto wallet, you're just going to click where it says crypto wallet, right? And you're going to see that at this point, this is where you're having a lot of crypto wallets that you can actually use that you can transact with, deposit and withdraw with inside your Exness application, right? So like I said in the other clips, what we're interested in, it's the USDT TRC20. That's the only wallet that we're interested in. So in this wallet, that's where we're going to be doing the deposit and withdraw as well. So if you want to deposit, all you have to do is to go to where it says deposit, and from here you're going to actually select payment USDT TRC20, and to account you have to first fill up or to actually deposit into your crypto wallet before you can actually transfer it to your trading account, right? So from here you're going to click continue. From here you're going to click continue. So if you're depositing, you're going to have this address here. So this is the address that you're going to actually copy. You're going to copy this address, and what you're going to do is to actually go back to your Binance app. Is to actually take out this money. So when you are taking out the money from Binance to your Exness app, what you're going to click is to click take out, because you're trying to take out from your Binance and deposit to your Exness. So from here, we're not going to sell the crypto, but you're going to withdraw to a known crypto wallet address via crypto network. So that's what we're going to click. Then from here, as usual, we're interested in the USDT TRC20, which is this particular point. From here, we're going to paste in the address that we got, select network. What we're going to be using is TRC20. You have to make sure that you guys are actually following what I'm showing you. Failure of doing this, you're going to lose your money if you send to a different wallet. So from here, this is what you're going to do. You're going to select TRC. Then from here, you're going to click on select. And after that, you're going to punch in your money that you're trying to do. So let's say if you're trying to deposit on 10 USDT, you're going to click on where it says withdraw. Then from there, you're going to confirm. And after confirming, you're actually going to receive your money in less than 30 seconds. Then from here, your money will reflect to this USDT wallet, and what you're going to do is you're going to transfer, or you're going to go to where it says transfer, and you're going to transfer from your USDT TRC20 to your trading account, which is for my case, I'm actually having this as my trading account, right? So you're going to actually transfer your USDT to this particular point. All right, so now that you know how to actually deposit from your Binance to your Exness app, I'm going to show you how to actually withdraw from your Exness to your Binance application, right? So what we're going to do is that when you get to your trading account, right? When you get to your trading account, what you want to do is to go to transfer. When you go to transfer, you're trying to transfer to your crypto wallet, and from there, what you're going to do is that you're going to transfer the money that you want from your trading account to your crypto wallet, right? So from here, let's assume I've actually transferred, because I already have the $13 in my TRC20. So from here, we're going to click on where it says withdraw. So when you go to where it says withdraw, you're going to select, you're going to see that you're going to have to external wallet and from account. So external wallet, we're going to get the address on our Binance application. So we're going to go back, And what we're going to do is that since we're trying to fund our Binance account, we're going to go to where it says add funds. When you go to where it says add funds, these are the options that you're going to get: buy with Zambian Kwacha, deposit with USDT, or receive crypto from another Binance user. Or the last option is deposit asset, deposit crypto from other exchanges or wallet to Binance. This is the option that we're going to go for. So deposits, we're going to go to this particular point, and I've been preaching this. What we're interested in is the USDT. So we're going to click to where it says USDT, and we're going to choose TRC20, which is this point. So after clicking TRC20, this is the address that we're interested in. So I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my Exness app. So on Exness app, to where it says to external wallets, this is where I'm going to paste in the address that we copied from our Binance, which is this point, right? So from here, you're going to put in or punch in the amount that you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 15 that's there. So from here, I'm going to click on where it says continue, right? From here, I'm going to click on where it says continue, and you must have and you're going to receive your money in your Binance, and you're going to watch the other clips to actually withdraw from your Binance to your mobile money. So I hope this video is helpful, and you're going to now be able to deposit to and from your Exness app. See you in the next video.